fellow Earth explorers, do you like art? Me too. How about animals? Yeah, I like animals a lot. Sometimes I like to pretend that I'm from outer space, like an alien. So I go by Halion. Today, we're gonna make animal masks like this one. It's made out of a paper bag, so you're gonna need one of those. Okay, I've got my bag, my scissors, and my tape. Any pen works. You will need something to mark with. Using natural materials. What do you guys consider a natural material?
Like flower petals and grasses.
Anything else, Beatrix?
Bananas.
Oh, yum, yum.
Yeah, bananas on my chicken.
Well, we don't want things that are too heavy for the mask, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, flower petals are really light and delicate. Grass is pretty light and delicate. Anything else that's light and delicate you can think of that's natural?
Oh yeah, a really thin slice of banana.
A really thin slice of it. What about something?
Like laser cut.
Oh, what about a yellow leaf that's dried out and looks kind of like a banana? Before you start, you have to decide generally on an animal. A lot of the time when I make a mask, I'll start with an idea and it changes while I'm making. That's totally normal. The best thing I can do is encourage my own ideas and have fun and play with what's happening.
I found my 3 face feathers already. Caw-caw! Yeah, I want to make my chicken. We can goldenrod. Found it. Her cheek on the right side, it does have gray stripes right here.
Oh,
she has them on all of them.
Wow.
And they all do. So
You look at her a lot.
Yep. I actually sleep with her in my hammock. You could take the ones that have fell in it, or you could take the yellow ones, and if you ask politely, you could
Oh, wow.
you can tell the tree, can I have a green one? If it says yes, you can.
Oh, that feels really good to me. I really like that idea. Do you think we'll need sticks or anything?
Oh, I would take some, or you could take sticks for whiskers. Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
I'm gonna draw a circle on my paper bag to cut out. It has to be big enough to cover my face. I think that you guys have about the same size head. Maybe we could... We do!
We do! Oh my God! Wait, hang on.
Yes.
Yes.
Now take that measurement and put it right here. So let's just start with a big circle.
And then let's do that. Goldenrod!
Zara, I believe in you. Do you want to bubble cut this for Beatrix?
Bubble cut?
Bubble cut.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Around here.
I'm great at cutting.
Just don't get it, just don't go to the line. Just give some space. Yeah, we're just gonna get it out
Like
of
that?
there. Yeah, perfect. I wanna mark where my eyes are on this paper. So sometimes I just put my face down and then put my eyes on the paper and then put my fingers on there. Beatrix, could you come back? Goldenrod's not going to be really great at, well, I think you'll be better at making the mask if you are Beatrix rather than Goldenrod right now. Do you want to draw your kitty here? You've marked where your eyes are, or will be, on your mask. Now it's time to cut them out. Here's a little trick. If you fold your paper in half, you might know this one already, and cut right on the crease, then you can cut a circle. Like that. Go ahead and put your eye right in there. Yeah. Okay, that's perfect. I can tell that your other eye is going to be seen right through there. And you can use these two if you want. These are really awesome. You might have some crayons at home, maybe markers. What I love about crayons is that you can use the top of it for a line, and you can use the side of it if you want to really make a big area of color. You know what I think we could do is make a little slit in the paper and then stick the stem in and tape it from the back.
Oh yeah, that's a really good idea.
Oh, I'm glad you like that idea because I like it too.
Wow, that's so
Those ears are adorable. You want to tape them on?
let's do it on the back.
I was thinking the same thing. Perfect.
There, now it's a piece of tape.
What about you had these? Chicken and cat. Do you love drawing?
I love drawing.
Yeah, it's like the best thing.
It's okay, Reps. I make a lot of mistakes.
That's how you learn.
Big mess.
Someone told me once that failure is a good sign.
Yep. I think failure, mistakes are what make us human.
Yeah, I think so. I really like to have the string above my ear so it can settle right there. And this part, you might need to grab a buddy to help you tie it behind your head. And then you're ready.
I'm not gonna take it off.
The whole day.
The whole day.
Thanks for making animal masks with me today. Making art is out of this world. Out of this world.